Hello friends, I've got a really fun song to dance to about the letter H. I can't wait to show you some fun words. Get ready.
H is for houses, cozy and small. Homes for people, big and tall. H is for hills that roll and rise, hiding under cloudy skies. The letter H is so happy. Hear the humming honeybee. Hummingbirds in harmony. H is helpful as can be. H is for horse, galloping fast. Hooves go pounding as they pass. H is for hats of every kind. High on heads, they're fun to find. Hot cocoa on a chilly day. Hammocks sway on summer days. Hearts that shine with love and pride. The letter H is so happy. Hear the humming honeybee. Hummingbirds in harmony. H is helpful as can be. The letter H is so happy. Hear the humming honeybee. Hummingbirds in harmony. H is helpful as can be.
I hope you like my house and my dancing. Join me next time for a sweet song about the letter I. See you soon.